Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking these cards, guys. These are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Cancers, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards. We have Fortune's Wheel, Seven of Suns, and Four of Stars in reverse. So in your situation, Cancers, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, today certain things are going as it should, guys, maybe, and you are making a lot of efforts, and your efforts must also be backed by your clarity of thought, and it should not be blind effort. It must be prudent action on your part. If you want to be successful, you need to have that inner strength and feel have that clarity in your situation, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are having someone close to you telling you what needs to be done today. So this person is guiding you towards the right thing or right choices today, guys. And maybe you don't know which way to go or what to do. Maybe you feel lost or feeling stuck. You are feeling you lack that confidence. You don't know what you need to do today, guys. And maybe you are anxious about certain things. You have a lot of anxiety today, don't know how to do, or maybe that may be the reason you are taking someone's suggestions or ideas. Maybe there is a person helping you today, guys. And certain things are going as it should. Maybe in your work there may be some projects coming to benefit you, or there may be certain things going against you. So you need to understand that destiny is the reason for things going in a particular way. For the better or worse, your situation is governed by destiny, and certain things may move towards a beginning, a positive beginning, but certain things are moving towards some kind of an ending or a great change. So things are going in a very unexpected way in your situation, guys. So you may see unexpected changes, and that may be due to destiny in your situation, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Three of Spheres. So with this card, it just means that you and your person, you are moving towards a positive relationship. You want to make things work, and you are being really cheerful, working together, and you want to make this relationship a success, and you are supporting each other and guiding each other. So the guidance I was speaking about, maybe the guidance you are getting from your person, or it may be your guidance to them. So the energies may be vice versa, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Moon in reverse. So with this card in your work situation, just like I said with the cards for your general energy, certain things may go well, certain things may not, and the reasons may be destiny. Again, the similar energy here, guys. Certain things may take a miraculous turn in your work, so something unexpected may happen, something really good, extraordinary, but certain things may not go so well. So again, it may be due to destiny, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading with these cards, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the card for you all today. Not for you. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe this relationship or this connection is not meant to be. So some relationships carry an innate seed of failure right from the beginning, and you need not feel sad or stressed. You need to understand that rejection is God's way of protection. So when something is denied to you, however hard you make efforts, some things may not go right and you may see failure in that. You need to understand that maybe it is not meant to be. That is the reason it is not manifesting, and there are much better things on its way towards you, and you can be happy for that, guys. And you need to trust this and understand that rejection is God's protection today for you. So in a relationship, sometimes when it is not meant to be, however hard you try or whatever you do, things will not go up to expectation. And maybe right from the beginning, you may have an understanding that this connection may not work. You may have an intuition, or sometimes you may not observe things in this way. But if this relationship is meant to be, it will proceed towards the positive way, guys. But if it is not, if you are rejecting or if that person is rejecting, it is good for both of your sakes, guys, because for each and every person there is a proper match here, and this person may not be the best one for you, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need not feel worried. There is a best fit waiting for you. So you just need to have trust today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. This card for y'all, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we have fairies, words. So with this card, it just means that in our circumstances today, guys, you need to be really careful what you speak, and you need to be really careful of the thoughts you have and the words we speak to people. It has a great impact in their life, guys. So that does not mean that we have to flatter someone to make them happy, go for that falsehood. It does not mean that. It just means that in each and every situation, we should speak with honesty and with the beauty of ourselves. So what inner beauty we have, our words should come from that kindness and from that compassion. And when we speak words of kindness, you need not think of anything else. You will surely be rewarded today. And when you do good things for others, your good deeds will always be reciprocated, guys. May not be today, but the rewards will surely reach you for whatever good you are doing to the people. It may be a stranger or it may be a friend. To whomever you do something good, it is going to come back to you. And when you speak kind words, you are enriching yourself with more beauty and kindness. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe in some situation today, you are doing things the right way, not for the sake of someone praising you or appreciating you, just for the truth, and honesty, and for the beautiful soul you have. So you are doing the right things for the sake of the right thing, not for anything else. So maybe in your situation, something demands this action on your part, and you are moving ahead with honesty, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.